What's up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and it's time to turn these into these. Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. In this one, I'm taking these regular, ordinary golf balls, and I'm going to turn them into pure silver golf balls. So let's go over to the furnace, and we'll see the pours. So all three of those were successful casts, and these are looking pretty sweet. I'm stoked on these. Got the tiny sprue at the bottom that we need to cut off, but all three of these golf balls are looking fantastic. That was the first one. This is the second one here. And you know, there will be a little bit of cleanup, clean some of this stuff off, and sort of grind down the edges here after we cut off the sprues. But these are looking very, very nice. I'm really excited about the way that these turned out. I think every single one of these is better than the first one I did. So definitely some improvement. But yeah, I think it'd be cool too to pour some and leave the sort of bottom on as like a little, you know, stand for them, because I think they look cool like this too. But you know, these are all gonna end up just being regular silver golf balls. This part isn't included, but you know, maybe it'd be fun to do some just like this at some point because that is kind of a cool pour, and you know, these look really unique the way that they end up. So yeah, anyway, very, very cool. I'm gonna get all these cut off, and I'm gonna get all three of the golf balls cleaned up, and then we'll see what they look like when they're all done. Okay, so I got all the golf balls finished up, and wow, all three of them turned out way better than the first golf ball that I did. I'm having so much fun with these. They're looking awesome, super shiny. So let's take a look. And these are just so much fun. I have the 999 fine silver stamped right there, 999 FS, that you can see. This is where the sprue was that I cut off. So other than that one stamp, they don't have any other stamps on them. I wanted to keep them looking like golf balls for the most part, but wow, these all ended up just looking so awesome, and we're gonna get them weighed in a second here. And one thing that's really cool is the way that I did the casts, it ended up being a lot less to shave off, so the sides end up being really nice on these. And it was a little bit less work. I mean, I guess that's the thing. If you can get better and better and better at doing the actual cast, then it's just less work in general. And then here's the 999 fine silver on that one. Yeah, I still need to get a little bit better at cutting off the sprues. But either way, all the golf balls are looking really awesome. I just had a blast making these three. I'll definitely make more if people want to order golf balls, because they're just so much fun. So if anyone did want to order one, all you got to do is just shoot me an email, and they're $300 right now with free USA shipping. So let's take a look at the weight on these, because I'm very, very curious. And then I can write the weights on the COAs here. But I was shooting for 12 ounces. The first one I made was like 11.8. So hopefully these ones will weigh the full 12 ounces, which would be cool. Okay, so we're weighing in OZT, that's ounces, Troy, and we'll put the first one on here. 12.01, yes! So just over 12 ounces on the first one. That's very, very cool. And we'll weigh the second one here. 12.13, very interesting. It's just slightly heavier. I wonder if that's because the sprue just didn't, was, you know, a little bit more full on that one, I guess. And then the last one here, 12.06. Awesome, absolutely epic. So they all weigh over 12 ounces. So the cool thing about them all weighing over 12 troy ounces means that each one of these golf balls weighs a pound of silver. That's so cool. They're an entire pound because there's only 12 troy ounces in a troy pound. So that is just absolutely awesome. We got a full pound of silver in every single golf ball. Wow. And I am really excited that all the casts are very similar weights, which means moving forward, I know they're all going to weigh right around 12 ounces or maybe just a hair over. So that's very, very cool. That's different than pouring bars in an open mold where each one's going to fluctuate in weight much more than when you're casting them like this. So that's very cool. And of course, I'm still very new to casting, but I am just in the short period of time, I've learned so much and I feel like I'm getting a lot better at it. And so everything's just going to get better moving forward. But anyway, I think all these turned out very, very beautiful. And again, if anyone wanted one, just shoot me an email. I know we got Father's Day coming up. It would make a really awesome gift for a father or grandfather that's into golf. Or if you just like golf balls yourself, if you like silver, then these are very, very cool and very unique because I haven't seen anyone else making these. So anyway, I just wanted to do a video on these 3 beautiful golf balls and I'm loving them. And so anyway, I will be shipping them out tonight and then they will find new homes. So I hope the people that ordered them like them as much as I do. And I do want to say thank you all to you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.